my channel, yay. We're going to Tagaytay and we're moving. Bye-bye home. Bye-bye home. Yes. Siyempre. Okay, we're moving. As you can see, we're moving. Going to Tagaytay in the Philippines, mga friends. Mga friendly. Mga cookies ko, guys. Mga cookies. Hello, my last one.
Okay, mag-ano daw. Mga abitawag ko.
Mag-film, mag-vlog. Mag-vlog nga. I'm vlogging too. Yeah, oh, that was a bomb. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to Tagaytay. As you see, we're already moving. Yep. This is my brother, my mom, a lot of people in my family here, also my cousin. It's like we're going to Tagaytay. We're already moving. It's really bumpy, guys. And so yeah, awkward. Hey guys. Yeah, guys can see me. Yes. Huh? Nice and space.
Mag-ano ka ng plastic, baka ay magsuka.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello mga friends. Hola. Hola mga cookies. Ano may cookies? Hola mga cookies. Rise and shine. Yeah, we're here. We're gonna go to Tagaytay. Yeah. Look at the beautiful view. We're going to Tagaytay. We're going.
Yung batang yan, hindi na napakain ko ng kami.
We're going to Tagaytay. We're going to Tagaytay. We're going to. Okay, I'll stop. It's cringe. I'll stop. Sorry. I have cough.
Then, ako bigyan mo tate.
I'm gonna put it down so y'all guys can see.
Hawakan yung plastic at baka yun yung
Sorry about the way. I just put it down now. Okay, sorry. Thank you. There should be another part to this. So yeah, guys. You can't really play right now. Samson, are you vlogging? We're already at the city. Yeah, we're.
Ate, huwag mo kausapin na ano siya. Review.
We're already at the city.
Ang dami niya. Ang dami.
So you better not fall from her ass. We're going to Tagaytay. We're in the Philippines. Wala mga cookies. Rice and chicken. Sorry about that. That's how I wake up here. Sorry about all my cookies. Yeah, guys. Thank you for 230 subs. I just can't get it over with. From literal 4 subscribers to 230 subs. Can we do 240, guys?
Hindi nga susi mo sa bahay. Nasaan? Nasa iyan.
Sorry, the background is very noisy. Y'all guys can just ignore my talking. Watch the bell mode. I'm gonna only edit the things that I only want to say. The first part, hola mga cookies. Hola mga cookies. That and Russian sharing and yeah, the important stuff. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna edit that. It's just really bumpy. Oh my gosh.